Hey Shopee users, frustrated with the promotion cannot be redeemed error? Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it quickly. Let's get started. First of all, double check if the promo code is still valid. Open the Shopee app, go to My Vouchers, and review the expiration date and terms of the promo code you are trying to use. Next, ensure your cart meets the minimum spend required for the promotion. If not, add more items to your cart to qualify. Some products may not qualify for the promo code. Make sure none of the items in your cart are excluded, like digital goods or specific sellers. If the error persists, update your Shopee app to the latest version. Alternatively, clear your app's cache in your phone settings. And that's it. These steps should help you redeem your Shopee promotion without any issues. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more shopping tips. Happy shopping. Thanks for watching.